This is our second video of our buddy Fred. Fred's going to show us his many, many faces. Hi, Fred.
Hello.
Show me scared. Show me sad. Show me sexy.
How you doing?
Show me hungry.
So hungry. Do you have any food?
Show me confused.
I do not know why.
Okay, show me really, really, really happy. That looks like you were scared.
Oh, I'll go the other way.
You gotta go the other way. Happy. Okay, Fred, do you have any final words to say?
Just wanted to say thank you for this opportunity. Give a shout out to my wife. And just want everybody to know to reach for the stars, okay?
Bye, Fred.
Bye.